Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video just to make sure everyone knows exactly how to turn things in on Moodle. So this screen is your Moodle page. When you finish typing your final draft, so the most perfect copy, after you have read all of my comments and you've made all of your changes, you're going to turn it in on Moodle. Now you have to turn it in on Moodle using regular Word or PDF. So if you typed your essay in Google Docs, then you're going to need to click File and then click Download as a PDF, and it'll save the PDF to your computer, and that is the document that you choose to upload. But what we're going to do is you click on where it says Turn in Exemplification Assignment. You click on that, and then you'll click Add Submission. And you can click on this little piece of paper right here, and then click Choose File. And it'll go through all of the different documents that you have saved on your computer. Find the document that you want to upload, click Open, click Upload this file, and then click Save Changes. And once you see this green bar right here that says Submitted for Grading, then you'll know that you have turned it in and you are all done. If you have any questions at all, please email me and let me know. Thanks.